Okay, so I'm busy doing an improvement for George in Louisiana on a President McKinley. I've got all of the parts to be upgraded out, and they're the new parts that's going to go in. So let's get started. Alright, let's do some quick power checks. Got a 10-watt slug on the left side, a 25-watt slug on the right side, which is PEP. Let me get my makeshift camera stand out here. Okay. Meter on the left is RMS. Meter on the right is PEP. I'm on AM channel 20. We're dead keying a little over 2 watts, maybe about 2.5 watts. Hello, audio, audio, 1, 2, 1, 2, audio, audio. Swinging forward to about 3 with over 25 watts of PEP. Okay. Now I'm gonna, which that'd be great for driving an amplifier on AM, by the way. I'm gonna switch modes now to sideband. Still on channel 20. Hello, audio, audio. So that's what, a little over 6 watts. Yeah, a little over 6 watts RMS. Audio. And about audio, 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 audio. Audio 1, 2, 1, 2, audio. Audio, hello, hello, audio. Audio, hello. And over 25 watts on sideband. Okay? Alright. Next thing I need to show you is the Clarifier. Get all these power parts out of the way. Okay. Ah, crap. How am I going to do this? Hang on a minute. I'm going to need 2 hands. Alright. Still on channel 20. I'll switch back to AM. Okay. 27205. Now the Clarifier, let me show you. Of course, I'll put it on the top too. Coarse tune is all the way counterclockwise. Fine tune is about 230. Okay, you see that? Coarse tune's all the way counterclockwise. Fine tune is about 230. All right. I'm going to change it. It goes up 5. Actually 5.3 up. And right there is on the 0. So that's coarse fully clockwise. And fine tune about 2 o'clock. You see that? Coarse tune fully clockwise, fine tune at 2 o'clock. And like I said, I'll put that on a label on top of the cover. Alright? Okay. Let's see. Upgrades. There's the new hash filters. Replace those tiny little wires they had in there. There's the new AM IF filter. The one with the red dot there on it. Okay. Upgraded the DC input buffer filter from a 1000 microfarad to a 2200. Same thing with the voltage regulator buffer filter, upgraded from a 1000 to a 2200. Alright. And you saw the Deluxe Clarifier mod. Now, you can change this thing back to where that the 5 is in the center by making an adjustment on the inside of the radio. Alright, what you do is just line the two knobs up and come in and adjust that adjustment right there in the corner with a non-conductive tool, like a wooden tool or a plastic tool. Okay, you can't adjust it with metal because the metal causes it to change when you put the tip in there. Alright, but you wanted the Deluxe Clarifier, so there's the Deluxe. It gives you the capability to go up and hit the 0. Okay, you can slide anywhere between the 5 and the 0. Alright, let me get the covers put back on it. More to come. Okay, George, there it is, buddy. And I'm picking up that 1111 clown on my dummy load. But there it is, and I put the instructions for the clarifier right on the top up there. So for the 5, course control is all the way counterclockwise. Fine tune is at 230. To go up to the 0, in other words, if you're on 38, which I think you're a sidebander, if you're on 38 and somebody wants you to go to 380, what you'll need to do is switch down to 37 and then come up 5 kcs to 380. Okay, this thing won't go down. I've tried bigger potentiometers, higher value potentiometer, trying to get it to do more, and the only solution I had was to change some things inside there. But with that bigger potentiometer, once you go past a certain point, then that circuit stops oscillating and the radio just stops working. So it's a function of the variactor that's in there, the cheap little variactor that they put in there that looks like gnat poop. So far I haven't found a substitute for that that'll give us more slides, so just having to work around that by changing a few components around it. I was at least able to get it to go up 5 so that you can hit the 0. Okay, but anyway, there's your instructions. XX5, that's center slot, like 385. Course fully counterclockwise, fine at 230. Okay, and then for the zeros, you drop down a channel and come up. So course will be fully clockwise and fine tune about 2 o'clock. Alright. Well, George, I sure hope you enjoy your new radio. It was my pleasure to set it up for you. 7-3, everybody. Stay safe.